My Oga, Shinopella in the building. And they like to see some kind of tables. This table now, only malt and one champagne. My Oga, fan, chief. When they fail to drink the champagne, okay, the guests they drink champagne, they drink malt. But women get power. We're still level now. This table, okay, now they drink. They drink. The same thing here. No, only one champagne everybody buy. Champagne don't cost. Now small style just 4 years old. No, call post for VIP, like so I get money past there. We're tired. See level, packaging ain't go kill us in this country. We can package. People, they package, kill themselves for this Lagos. Lagos are the king of packaging. That's why Oyibo people in the package. But Nigeria, babes normally go club. If you go America, if you meet Oyibo girl, say, hi, how you doing? She go stop. Hi, how you doing? Then they stop. They go stop, follow you talk. Because it's just a conversation. It's hello and hi. Hi, how you doing? You having fun? Yes, awesome tonight. So awesome. White girls. Stop Nigerian girl for club. Go Quilocks. Hello. Hey! Come at the crest. No. Stop. Leave my hand. Idiot. Your father. Why they vex? There are some girls. Now, the one way they pay me part, they say, girls in Nigeria, they get their priorities wrong. So wrong. They carry Wivon of $1,000 for head. $2,000 for head. For your mind, men, they look your hair. I never see any man trip for woman hair for my life before. You don't dey club where they just dey side club, they dance. Cause see girl with Wivon. Say, oh boy, Tonero, see that girl Wivon. Ah. Oh boy, see Wivon, nah, don't die. It don't happen before? Lie. Girls, you guys are wasting your money for men. No, they look Wivon. Let me break it down. From your neck go up, we need a look. From your neck go down, we dey look. So if you want to see your Wivon, put them for here, or here. Why are you wasting your money? No one truth. Women are fraudsters. Now most start with Ron's girls. For all the men who they patronize Ron's girls, do you know that you people are wasting your money anyhow? You will pay girl 50K to wipe. Abi? 50K to just to now you go to do the girl go to moan for your 50K. Me, if I pay money, no mono. No enjoy am, no just enjoy am. Now me pay, now only me must enjoy. If you do, I dey collect 5K. So what they do? 5K. 5K. At the end of the day, now you go owe me money. You go pay me balance because you cannot enjoy what I'm paying for. Are you mad? You're a fool. I'm telling you, girls are thieves. It's wrong. And women, for their mind, they just feel saying that they run things. And true, they run things. See my wife. And they tell people most times, you cannot slap a woman. It's wrong to slap a woman. Never ever. For the men, I don't get new device. If woman upsets you, no slap her, shake her. I don't warn you. Make you know they follow me. They talk. Hold the two hands. When they shake them, they shake like this. You know, say they Wivon, they tie them to their scalp. When the head shake like this for 5 minutes, the headache we go do them after you shake them finish. Just leave them, headache go nearly kill them. You say, man, my husband they beat me, but the guy they shake me. That guy they shake for like 5 minutes. No need to beat woman. Although women are sharp, my wife na gangster. My wife don't slap me before when they cry. Now me she slap her. I just be talking, I just slap me. She started to cry. Look at what you've made me do. I can say, baby, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Now she slapped me, but now they talk sorry. Then women, you know say men, we know sharp. Men if they chat for BBM, they smile. If they chat with baby, they smile. What kind of yes smile they do our face when they get they talk some kind of rubbish. They smile. Woman go just come with me, baby. Who are you chatting with? Men answer, eh? They don't catch you already. If you don't do, you don't. But women they sharp. If you catch woman like that, say, baby, who are you chatting with? woman go make you feel like saying, now you the fuck up. Ask woman, I can't tell. Baby, who are you chatting with? You think I'm like you, idiot. So, because you are chatting with all those girls in Lagos, you think I'm not going to be doing the same thing with you, idiot. You think I'm like you? Will you get out from this place? Okay, no vex, I beg you. Okay. Women sharp, like me, I tell people most times, recently, I tell them, look, me, all this now, new iPhone 6, Samsung S5, one of the kind, because you get fingerprint feature. You think say they protect you? You just put your fingerprint. Yeah, nobody get my fingerprint. Nobody go catch me. Story. You are fooling yourself. What's going to happen when you sleep? And you sleep. You don't carry your finger. Open the phone. Around 2 a.m. Tunde, wake up. Who is Jennifer? Me, I get the same phone. I use fingerprint, but not as I sleep now. Carry my hand from my mouth now. Remove my finger from my mouth. I go wake up. Then let me give all the guys, real quick, what you go do. Anytime a woman catch you, boy, no can catch it because they catch me recently, but I discovered I'm out of just reflex. My wife just come room. Baby, who are you chatting with? Give me your phone, let me see. I say, what? Give me your phone, let me see who you are chatting with. Hey, me no say if I give her that phone, my own don't finish. Because now rubbish at the chat. Now I look the phone as a sharp guy. Now I say, baby, so you mean you don't trust me anymore? He said, babe, I trust you, but give me your phone. So, baby, you mean you don't trust me anymore? You now think that I'm cheating on you? Because a device is just a simple device, is now bringing problem in this relationship. This simple device, boah! Screen don't break. You know if you see anything for screen again. Matter go end, abi. Who be fool now? They crazy. But I want to understand one thing. All these guys when they come, they bend down. When I think we don't see una. Why people they work at it? And none of them popular. I mean, no see us. Oh my. Why you talk about last one? I don't tire. Why be they drink since? Alcohol and bad. I tell people, if they drink, no, they drink too much. I don't drink one day, carry man go out. I swear. Alcohol and bad thing. Drink like bad man. I go shake you. How are you? How you doing now? You know when guy carry fine girl come party events like this, now they work out like this. You go they greet people and don't even know. Hey, how far? Hey, if I will walk here, baby, go and sit and I'll join you later, right? Alcohol na bad thing, no. Alcohol, yeah thing. My brother, I know say girls know when then they activate. Ugly girls, then they know. Ugly girls don't know. Say when you drunk, then they find. So you go see ugly girls for club. They will they buy. And their name they useless. Endurance. No worry. They go soon drunk, we go soon fine. Me, I not tell you. I remember the first day where I smoked weed. Igbo. This Igbo thing when they talk about, first of all, make people know they condemn Igbo. Igbo, weed. I don't get anything against them. I don't get one single thing against weed. Why? Weed was created by God. Born anything. Who created them? Now weed, now plant. Garden of Eden, Igbo day. I'm telling you, Igbo don't day since the beginning of time. Now I can't imagine how they use discover Igbo. If it became an Abel when they cultivate the bush. They can't they burn bush when they don't cultivate everything. They just go burn Igbo leaf. They all high. They will come wake up in the morning. My brother, you know this when we burn one of these leaves, that night we feed that thing. Say they'll come they find the weed. Come they burn this one, not be this one. Burn this one, not be this one. Burn this one, not be this one. They will come find the real one. That's why Igbo they use discover Igbo. And they tell you, Igbo don't day since. Judas smoke Igbo. Now only person who smoke Igbo fit get mine said Jesus Christ. Oh boy, bless you go say Papi Joe. That guy go cost to. No say Igbo they give you some ideas. Oh, I remember when I first smoked Igbo for my life. Oh boy, Igbo. Get one place for Uniben those days. They call the place Pot. I go there, I tell my guys, give me Igbo, man, I'll smoke. The man knows when they smoke. Now I smoke the first time. I know how they do this thing. Some guys when they smoke Igbo say, man, Igbo don't they hungry me now. So. That's how they smoke. Igbo, they come slow. The Igbo, they look you. Wait. Now they smoke. Igbo, they creep small. I don't high. I don't know. I said, now the thing be this. You know even hard. Now I drop them. The next thing I hear here, bright. Or you remove your shirt. Oh boy, the highness, where they stay, far from where they smoke. Now like 30 minutes drive, I trek. Igbo make me trek. Trek, they go. It no far like that. I go to walk. I go trek. My real conscience go say enter bike. Now die you won't die. So I go enter bike. Igbo go say come down. You waste your money. I'll come down. Oh yeah, they trek. I go, that's how they do all the truth. Now crazy, I know they crazy. They go. I don't know. When I reach house. Now I sit down on top television, carry remote control, they change chair. I mean, this battery don't die. Why the channel need to change? Oh, I go live now right now, man. You know, normally, when comedians, they crack jokes, they just crack. They can't crack on serious joke. We could play with your tear. They just can't come. Not the best way to lift stage. Normally, if a proper performer on stage, like they perform, we just crack one last joke. With your tear, you go say thank you very much. God bless you. Good night. No, that's it.